Hi, my name's Stanley. I made $2,100 on morning volatility while most traders were still asleep. The secret is entering the market at the right time and being able to read market movements without panicking. In this video, we'll break down the morning patterns I use every day, and I'll show you how to get consistent results from 4 trades. And friends, of course, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. My name's Stanley and I'm getting started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Super Trend and the Fractal. Let's configure the Super Trend first. Set the multiplier to 2.5 and save. Let's configure the fractal. Set the period to 3. Go to Style, set up to red, and let's set down to green and save. So, the indicators are ready to go, and friends, if you are trading on your phones, configure them the same way. The first opportunity of the day appears clearly and without unnecessary noise. The expiration time is 1 minute and I'm opening a short trade for $1,800. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works and what you should pay attention to. It all starts with a signal from the super trend. When a red arrow appears above the candles, it's a clear indicator that the market is changing direction and forming a downward movement. This signal shows the moment when sellers begin to prevail and the downward momentum gains strength. And the next confirmation comes from the fractal. A red arrow also forms above the candles. This is the second, equally important signal that confirms the start of a downward trend. This coincidence of indicators strengthens the reliability of the analysis and helps to accurately determine the moment when the downward movement becomes dominant. And I made a profit of $1,656. The work is starting at the right pace, so we can move on. Do you want to receive fresh market analysis and trading ideas every day? Then join my free Telegram channel. We share strategies, discuss trades, and support each other in trading. If something is unclear after watching this video, you can always write to me personally and I will help you figure it out. The link to the channel is in the description, so please come and grow with us. On Telegram, you will find practical advice and proven approaches for confident trading. The next setup appears quite quickly. The expiration time is 1 minute and I'm opening a long trade for $600. After a short pause, the market revives again. The movement becomes more active and the candles show a clear and confident upward momentum. Such dynamics always indicate a return of buyer strength and a resumption of growth after a short respite. The momentum looks stable. The candles are forming consistently without sharp fluctuations, and each subsequent one supports the previous one, reinforcing the overall upward movement. And this is a reliable sign that the market is set to continue the upward trend. Let's see. Well, the result is encouraging. There's another $552 in profit. The balance is growing steadily, everything's under control. A new technical scenario is emerging on the chart. So, with an expiration of 1 minute, I'm opening a short trade for $1,700. After a short period of growth, the price reaches the resistance level and begins to show signs of weakening. The movement gradually slows down, the candles become shorter and less energetic, and this is the first signal showing that the upward momentum has exhausted itself. Buyers lose the initiative and sellers begin to take control of the movement. More and more signs of a reversal appear on the chart, the trend structure changes and the direction shifts downward. This market behavior seems logical after the previous rise. The energy for growth has dried up and now a new downward momentum is forming, which has every chance of developing. And friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a private message on Telegram and I'll be happy to help you. And the balance increased by another $1,564. So I continue to watch the chart and work calmly. The final opportunity of the day looks interesting. The timer is set for 1 minute and I'm opening a long trade for $1,300. The chart clearly shows a sideways movement phase in which the market has been accumulating energy for some time. And now the candles are breaking out of this range. This is a key moment that confirms the activation of buyers and the beginning of a new impulse. And this market behavior often becomes the starting point for a sustained movement. A breakout from consolidation upwards shows that the accumulated strength is beginning to be realized and the trend is being confirmed. And this signal perfectly complements the overall picture and significantly increases the likelihood of a successful outcome. The market has emerged from a phase of anticipation and is entering a phase of active growth. Plus $1,196 in profit. The session is ending smoothly and at a steady pace. So, let's sum up the results. My balance has grown from $8,725 to $13,693. An excellent session. And friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!